Kia ora whanau, it is Hux and we are back with another video. Today we are reacting to Hoani Waititi and yeah, I heard that they placed in the top 3. So I'm expecting some good things. Without further ado, let's just get straight into the video, eh? This is on now. Solo? This is all good way to start. What a good way to start. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. Time for the Mōteatea.
Tēnā koutou, tēnā tātou, hatoa, hui!
I like this one too. Oh, that fella in the back, he needs... I want to see people like that. So you see the eyeballs there. Give me more. I like the way it sounds. like that. So that kaupapa. So that. Waiata ā-ringa. It's alright. A little bit of strain, but I can't sing like it. So I'm just singing. Right. I like that, That's cool, Good. I like that one too. Boy time. This one's for you ladies. Oh. Oh. Yeah. Oh man. She can sing, huh? Oh my gosh. Take her up, take her up. Do it. Right, bro. I love this. The only critique I have, I can't unhear it now, but it's the person who's doing. It sounds a bit flatter. I'm gonna be honest. I reckon you should have just stayed on. Everyone should have just done that. None of that. Yeah, we'll run it back. You can have a listen for yourself. I'm so sorry, I can't unhear it. That's all I can hear, bro. I love this poi though. Minus that, love this poi. It's still there. Alright. Minus that, this is just so beautiful. I love that Waiata. This one's for you, Tony. Oh, we're getting political. Yeah, boys. Yeah. This follower. And this follower. Who's this young fella? Who's that young fella? Oh, yeah. That was tough. I like that one. That was a good haka. I think that was probably one of my favourite hakas that I've reacted to so far. fella likes jumping in. I love that big fella there. This fella, he's crack up. What a performance, bro. I think out of all of them, that one was pretty good. Hoani Waititi, pretty standard, pretty stock standard. There wasn't anything that was bad about it. They weren't trash. They weren't boring. Pretty nice. I really enjoyed it. Just that high note, that whistle note, whatever that is. I know some people can hit it there, but that during the poi just sort of tipped it off for me. Waiata wise, the poi was my favourite, especially that solo. Whoever that wahine was at the start, who started off with that solo, bro, she needs more credit, cuz. Blow her up. If you know her at there, tag her down below. The haka was mean. I think that's my favourite haka out of everything that I've reacted to. Hoani Waititi haka, bro. That was tough. Out of 10 now, I'm gonna have to give that one a solid 9. It was pretty good. You fellas were tough. Yeah, that's about it, eh? Hope you just enjoyed this video. I know I did. I didn't get bored with anything. If you want to watch more content like this, drop who you want me to watch down below. Have a good rest of your day. Sure.